Many label and packaging manufacturers find the transition to digital production a challenge. With the introduction of the Digital Solutions Program, Domino has made a commitment to help our customers navigate the digital landscape. Whether it's business analysis, estimating, workflow optimization, or application development, our digital solutions team is here to support your investment. We've brought together industry experts to help ease the transition and help you achieve your strategic business goals, with tools and support to provide a framework for accurate crossover and ROI calculations. The Domino Digital Solutions team can help you streamline your workflow and maximize the efficiencies of digital production. At Domino, we understand that investments are made for a reason, and your digital investment is an opportunity. Our goal is to make our customers as productive as possible, as quickly as possible, so that you can take maximum advantage of your investment, helping you achieve top-line growth, lower cost, less risk, less downtime, and more uptime. Contact Domino to see more, learn more, and do more.